Welcome to the Weather Centre, where we can expect yet another dry day across the country with lots of sunshine over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, with a warm Tuesday in store for KwaZulu-Natal as well as parts of the northern and eastern Cape. We'll see a bit of cloud move in over the southern and southeastern part of the country on Tuesday, with partly cloudy conditions in the southwest as that moisture starts to build up ahead of a cold front, which brings in some rainfall overnight. During the day, though, we have a dry forecast across South Africa with no rain expected. Maximum temperatures will peak in the mid-20s for KwaZulu-Natal as well as along the coast between East London and George. Warm for Uppington, Vredendal and Springbok, all in the upper 20s. 23 degrees for Johannesburg and R, 26 for Pretoria and Mahikeng, with a cool to mild day for Cape Town with a daytime high of 20 degrees. Along the west coast, we can expect good beach conditions with a light to moderate northwesterly wind between Alexander Bay and Langoban. More of a northerly component of the wind for Lambert's Bay, and along the west coast we'll see a 2-metre southwesterly swell with a wave period of 14 seconds. Moderate beach conditions are expected on the Atlantic side as well as False Bay, with a fresh northwesterly wind in the forecast. Stronger winds are expected as we head towards Cape Agulhas, so poor beach conditions there with a 2.5-metre swell and wave heights between 3 and 5 feet. Along the south coast we'll see a light offshore flow between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay with a moderate northeasterly wind for Port Elizabeth. Good beach conditions along the south coast with a 2-metre southerly swell and wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. A good day along the east coast on Tuesday with a moderate northeasterly wind between Durban and East London. Fresh winds are expected for Richards Bay though, so moderate beach conditions there. And along the east coast we'll see a 1.5-metre southerly swell with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet, and we're expecting high tide just after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.
Know more. eNCA.com